Hey everyone, my name's Will, and you're watching Gizmo's Quick Tips. Don't forget to check out our channel for more tech help.
Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Will, and today I'm going to teach you how to install AdBlock onto your Google Chrome. So, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to go back to this page here that has the web store on it. This is also known as the apps page. And if you don't automatically get to this page when you open up Chrome, you can click the apps button right here, and it'll bring you to this page. And then we're going to click on Web Store. Once we click on Web Store, we are going to make sure we are under the extensions tab here, and we're going to type in AdBlock. Now, for those of you that don't know what AdBlock is exactly what it says in the title. It stops annoying ads from popping up on web pages. It stops pop-up ads from occurring on, any page you may open. So let's say you're on a web page that likes to pop up ads in separate tabs, or, has like 10 ads pop up before you can actually get to what you're looking for. Well, this will help stop those. It also is good for stopping ads on like web pages like CNN, Fox News, other big web pages. It can block the ads so you can just get straight to the content. So the one we're going to choose here is this first one right here. It just says ad block, best ad blocker. We're going to click on that, and we're going to click add to Chrome here. Click add extension. Give it a second here. And as you can see, it's installing ad block, and we've got this little thing right here that says ad block in the top right corner. You can donate, but you don't have to. It's free to download. That's why it's an extension. And you can just close this out, and then ad block will be installed. And if you click on it, you can see how many ads are blocked per page. You can technically upgrade it if you want, but again, the free version is very good, and I use it on the daily, so I'd recommend you at least just get the free version. Now let's say a web page were to detect you have ad block, because some web pages can do that. If you click pause on this site, see how it becomes green with a nice little thumbs up? That means ad blocker is paused. And you can refresh your page after you've paused ad blocker, and you'll be able to view the article. Some news companies and other websites can detect if you're using ad blocker and can actually not allow you to access the stuff until you turn it off. But the majority of the websites you visit will not have that, and you should be fine with having it on. If you want to turn it back on, all you have to do is click on it and click resume blocking ads. And as you can see, we're back to blocking ads. And if you don't want to block on certain sites, you can click the don't run on this page. You can block a certain ad on a page, or you can stop it from running on pages on a certain website. And that is how you install and use AdBlock.
Hope you all enjoyed that quick tech tip. Don't forget to like the video below and subscribe to the channel for more quick tips. Be sure to post any tech questions you have in the comments below. Also, check us out at www.neighborhoodnerds.com or on our Facebook and Twitter in the description. See you guys next time.